Hello guys, in this video let us discuss one more new topic, that is division by t. Okay, in the previous video we have completed multiplication by multiplication here, division by s. Okay, now division by s. So first let us see the statement. If Laplace inverse of f bar of s, we know, considered as f of t. Okay, then Laplace inverse of f bar of s by s value, division by t. In the previous multiplication by s, so in the multiplication by s we have differentiated the function. Now here in the division by s we have to integrate the function. Okay, so Laplace inverse of f bar of s by s becomes integral 0 to t, limits are 0 to t f of t dt. Okay, so that is the statement. So let us see one problem here. Laplace inverse of 1 by s into s square plus a square whole square. If you observe here, we have s in the denominator. That means function is dividing by s. That is division by s we have to use. Okay, so division by s. Then how to solve division by s problems? So write this function as 1 by s into 1 by s square plus a square. Okay, now consider this total term as f bar of s. Okay, so it becomes f bar of s by s. Okay, division by s method. So let us consider f bar of s equals to 1 by s square plus a square. Okay, now let us find Laplace inverse for that function. So Laplace inverse of f bar of s equals to Laplace inverse of 1 by s square plus a square. What is the formula? 1 by a sin 80. So consider this value as f of t, because Laplace inverse of f bar of s value is f of t. Okay, so consider as f of t. Then take total function here. Laplace inverse of 1 by s into 1 by s square plus a square. Okay, that is f bar of s by s. This total function will be f bar of s. So f bar of s into s, that is Laplace inverse of 1 by s into this value is what? F bar of s. So which is in the form of f bar of s by s. So what is the formula? Integral 0 to t f of t into dt. So what is f of t? What is f of t value? 1 by a sin 80. So 1 by a sin 80 into dt. Now integrate the function. 1 by a is a constant right outside. Integration of sin 80 is what? Minus cos 80. Limits are 0 to t. Now apply the limits. Write this minus outside. Minus 1 by a. If you apply upper limit, you will get cos 80 only. Minus, what is the lower limit? 0. In place of a t, we have to substitute 0. Okay. So minus 1 by a into cos 80 minus cos a into 0 is 0. So cos 0 value is 1. Okay. So that is Laplace inverse of our given function 1 by s into s square plus a square. Okay. So this is the way of solving division by s problems. Okay. Okay. So let us solve one more problem. Laplace inverse of 1 by s into s square plus 9. Okay, similar to this problem, solve this second problem. So let us discuss one more problem. Laplace inverse of 1 by s into s square plus 4s plus 5. Okay, so if you observe here, we have equation here. Then how to solve this type of problems? Okay, similar, consider it as Laplace inverse of 1 by s into 1 by s square plus 4s plus 5, which is in the form of Laplace inverse of 1 by s into f bar of s. So consider the given function as f bar of s, 1 by s square plus 4s plus 5. Okay, so write this equation s square plus 4s plus 5 as sum of the squares. Okay, that is a square plus 2ab, 2 into a means yes, b will be, what will be b? Here we got 2s, but we have to get 4s, so we have to multiply with 2. Okay, so we will get 4s. Then b square, b is what? 2, so 2 square. Similarly subtract 2 square plus 5. Okay, then from the first 3 terms we can write it as a plus b whole square, so s plus 2 whole square. Then here minus 4 plus 5, so you will get what? Plus 1. Okay, that is f bar of s value. Okay, now apply Laplace inverse for this function. So Laplace inverse of f bar of s equals to Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 2 whole square plus right one as 1 square. Now if you observe, in the denominator we have only s plus 2. In the denominator only we have s plus a term. So write this s plus a as s. So how to write s plus a as s? By writing e power of minus 2t outside. So write e power of minus 2t outside. Then this s plus a becomes s. So s square plus 1 square. Okay. So e power of minus 2t into Laplace inverse of 1 by s square plus a square. What is the formula? 1 by a sin 80. 1 by a into sin 80 sin 1t. So Laplace inverse of f bar of s value is what? E power of minus 2t into sin t. Okay. That is the Laplace inverse of f bar of s value. Next, we have to calculate this function, right? 1 by s into 1 by s square plus 4s plus 5. Okay, Laplace inverse of 1 by s into this total value we have considered it as f bar of s. That is nothing but Laplace inverse of 1 by s into f bar of s. So what is Laplace inverse of f bar of s by s value? F dash of t. Okay, that means d by dt of f of t. So what is d by dt of f of t? What is f of t value? E power of minus 2 into sin t, because we have to consider Laplace inverse of f bar of s value as f of t. So it will be f of t value. Then use d by dt of this function, d by dt of that function. Then how to use? By using uv formula. So uv formula, first u into e power of minus 2t into d by dt of v plus v into d by dt of u. Okay, so e power of minus 2t d by dt of sin t cos t plus sin t into d by dt of e power of minus 2t is e power of minus 2t into minus 2. Okay, so that is nothing but e power of minus 2t into cos t, a plus into minus 2 into sin t into e power of minus 2t. So that is the Laplace inverse of our given function. So with this problem, our division by s topic is also completed. Okay, in the next class we will see one more video.